Hey, what's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video. Welcome to this beautiful Bulgarian nature. I'm in the mountains and I spent 6 hours driving to this place this morning so I can finally get some snow, get some snowy photos, snowy videos. And I was challenged to do it by the team of Insta360. So this video is sponsored by Insta360 and I'm going to be using the X3 camera for the majority of this video so I can demonstrate how versatile this camera really is. You can use it for vlogging, you can use it for skiing, for snowboarding, you can use it on your drone, and of course you can also use it as an action camera and a 360 camera. It's a really versatile, nice package that I love taking with me when I'm traveling. So I'm really excited for this video. Let's check it out. One of the best use cases for a 360 camera in my opinion is snowboarding or skiing. Since the camera is attached on an invisible selfie stick, the end shot becomes really good as it completely eliminates it from the footage, giving you a great angle at the action at all times. Now, since I'm definitely far from a pro when it comes to snowboarding, and I really don't want to embarrass myself, I gave the camera to my bro, Hit That Roll, so he can hit the slopes and showcase the possibilities of the X3, which you can see now on the screen. There are a lot of ways to attach the camera when you're skiing or snowboarding. One of the ways is by using a helmet mount with a sticky pad to attach to the helmet, which by the way, if you decide to use, make sure you attach to your helmet way before you start riding and in warmer temperatures so it can stick properly, as the cold temperatures will make the sticky mount a lot less durable on the helmet. The next way is to use the standard selfie stick, which is great but could limit you a bit if you want to get a shot from a bigger distance. And for that you might need the extended selfie stick, which is 3 meters long and can definitely give you that fake drone shot perspective, almost like you're being followed by a drone from above. However, keep in mind it's tricky to use this stick if you're on a very steep slope, as you might lose your balance. Of course, me being a drone guy, I couldn't help but attach the camera on one of my FPV drones to get that 360 look from it. Since the X3 also can be used as a regular action camera that only shoots through one of the lenses, in this flight I chose to use it in that way and see what type of results can I get from it. Unfortunately, my flight ended a little bit prematurely.
1 hour later.
Here it is. I managed to find it. Everything seems to be fine, besides a little bit of snow inside the air unit, but nothing seems to be damaged. Everything seems to be working, at least at a first glance. So yeah, I'm happy that I found it. It was definitely not easy looking at all of this snow, but yeah, everything's fine. Obviously, the biggest strength of this camera is its 360 reframing capabilities. However, it can also be used as a fully fledged action camera. So that's a great thing because it makes it really versatile, as you can really replace all of your other cameras and only use this for pretty much all of your needs. So whether it's simple vlogging, whether it's FPV, whether it's 360 video, of course, or action video, you can do it all with the X3. So that's really great. One of the reasons why I love this camera so much is because I can use it for pretty much everything I want to. On top of that, the battery life is really great. So that makes it also a good companion for like full day shooting situations where you just want to rely on your camera. And for that, you can definitely rely on this as well. Now, I do have a couple of tips that I want to share with you before I end this video. And the first of them is that if you plan to be vlogging with the X3, there are a couple of things you should know. First is that the audio quality coming straight out of the camera is not ideal. So if you plan to be vlogging and you are relying on the camera itself to capture your voice the best way possible, you will probably end up a little bit disappointed because the audio quality is just never good enough compared to what it is when you capture it on a dedicated microphone. GoPro fixes this issue by offering a media mod for their cameras. Here you can purchase an additional microphone adapter that will allow you to connect your external microphone, such as maybe the DJI microphone or a Rode Wireless Go. You can attach those microphones to the camera itself, and that way you can extract a much better audio, especially for those vlogging situations where this camera comes extremely handy in. Make sure you also use me mode if you're vlogging with this camera. That way you will be always in the middle of the frame. You don't have to worry about tracking yourself later in the app or in the studio application for your computer. It will be done automatically and you will always be in the middle of the shot, just like I was in a couple of these shots that I showed you in this video. Next, if you plan to use this camera on an FPV drone, make sure the drone itself is capable enough to carry it so it doesn't tip over because of the weight of the camera when you put it on top of it. And also, if you're flying in a snowy situation like I was, keep in mind, once you take off and you gain a little bit of distance from yourself, it's extremely handy to have a drone that is equipped with a GPS. That way you will know which way to go back, because from the air everything seems very similar and it's very confusing at times to know where to go back to if you want to land. So in this case, a larger drone like mine, 7-inch with a GPS, comes in extremely handy, not only because it can carry the camera without any issues, without any hiccups, but also it comes equipped out of the box with a GPS that shows you an arrow to where your takeoff location was. That's definitely a very handy thing to have. If you're interested in getting similar shots to mine and you want to know more about the X3 or you want to purchase one yourself, make sure you check the link in the description. With that being said, guys, this is everything I have for you today. I hope you found my winter adventure with the X3 entertaining to watch, and I want to specifically thank Insta360 once again for being a great partner of my channel and supporting everything that I do here. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.